Hello everyone and welcome to this Framer review. Is this the best no-code website builder? In this video we'll be putting a focus on Framer, a platform that's been making waves in the web design world. We'll explore its features, pricing, pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right tool for your next project. We've put a link in the description of this video so you can get started with Framer. Starting with the key features. Framer aims to allow anyone to create a beautiful website design without code. The key features include no-code solution, where you get to use a drag-and-drop interface for easy website building. Flexible CMS platform. You have a flexible CMS platform for managing website content. It has elegant pre-built designs, professionally designed templates to get you started. And of course, it has AI features where AI-powered tools are available for generating paid designs. If you're into Figma, there is a Figma plugin where you get to convert designs from Figma into HTML. You have a responsive editor. With a flexible editor, you can create dynamic websites. Design tools. There are tools for layout and visual design. And while designing, you'll be happy to know that you have preview tools, and these tools are available for previewing and testing your website before launch. Publishing and staging. You have tools for launching and managing your website. There are also tools for localization, where you get to create websites in multiple languages. SEO tools. These tools help you to optimize your website for search engines, and everyone needs it. And now to the pricing. Framer has two distinct price structures, and it's important to understand the difference, the personal and the business. The Framer personal plans, which of course are billed annually. You have of course the free for hobbyists, and it's completely free, but with limitations. You have the mini at $5 per month with hosting of 500 megabytes of storage, 10 gigabytes of bandwidth. The basic at $15 per month with a hosting of 1 gigabyte of storage and 50 gigabytes of bandwidth. The Pro comes at $30 per month and the hosting is at 10 gigabyte storage and 100 gigabyte of bandwidth. The Framer business plans has its own tiers and we'll be mentioning the prices annually. The launch comes at $75 per month, where you get to publish 15,000 pages and 20 CMS collections. You have the scale at $200 per month, where you get to publish 30,000 pages and 30 CMS collections. The enterprise is a custom pricing, so you'll need to contact customer care for your specific quote. Here are some key points to distinguish pricing. The personal site plans are for hosting and actual websites you build. Think of them as hosting costs. The business plans are for teams working within Framer. These are for collaboration features, multiple editors, and advanced team-based functionalities. And of course, with every service, we'd like to mention the pros and the cons. Starting with the pros. Framer has straightforward website design tools. It offers staging and publishing, includes a generative AI feature, it is easy to use with no code required, and an elegant pre-built design. On the flip side, with the cons, it's not ideal for most UX projects. It has limitations with form submissions, limitations with password protection for specific sections, and limitations with CMS exporting. In our conclusion, we can say that Framer is a powerful no-code website builder with a focus on design and ease of use. Its AI-powered design tools and drag-and-drop interface makes it a compelling choice for a wide range of projects, especially for those without coding experience. However, it's not the best option if your primary focus is app UX design, and it has some limitations in the areas of form submissions and CMS exporting. So, are you ready to try Framer? Well, check out the link in the description to learn more and get started on a plan. And if you found this helpful, let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.